Hi, Ross here, your expert on all things moving. In our previous episode, we have been talking about some basic and secondary tools for preparing your items for the move. Now we're gonna dive deep into that category. Well, specifically two of those. Tapes, to get your stuff prepared to be moved, and dollies, to actually get it on the truck. Let's go.
Moving tips!
So, category number one, tape. The biggest mistake that you can actually do with tape during your moving preparation is to buy this kind of tape, a transparent one. It only works for paperwork and things that you might need in the office. While affected by dryness or humidity, or high or low temperature for that matter, it actually gets unglued from the box or place where you've been gluing it on. So this is a no-go. The one that you need is the brown tape. It was actually made for moving needs. It does not get affected by temperature or dry air or humidity for that matter. And here's one biggest positive side to it. Here's what a transparent tape does, which pretty much sums up to nothing. This is what a brown tape does. When taping something, you can easily have it ripped off. You don't need to use your teeth or a knife for that matter. So for your moving needs, always use a brown tape and keep that transparent tape back at the shelf in Walmart. And last but not the least, remember that you will need a lot of tape for your moving preparations. So when you're taking that one, make sure that for a 1-2 bedroom apartment, you have at least 2 rolls with 6 tapes in each one.
Moving tips.
So there's a chance you might have figured what our second category is about. But if you didn't, let me tell you, it's about dollies. When you have everything prepared for the move, you'll still need to get it onto the truck. And for that, you need a secondary tool, which is a dolly. It really helps with really large pieces of furniture or really heavy boxes and saves you a lot of trouble. From the first side, it might appear that I'm holding 2 absolutely identical dollies. But let me tell you, this one is a brand new dolly that is bought somewhere at Home Depot or Lowe's, and here's my artifact that actually got through a couple of hundred moves. And here's why this is a better one. A dolly of this type can actually cause you a lot of trouble. And the biggest thing about it is the wheels. When you are buying the dolly, make sure that you choose the one with the biggest wheels, the biggest that you can find. As a professional mover and a professional skater, I can tell you that size of the wheels is everything. It will help you out to surpass the obstacles and pretty much save you a lot of effort because the dollies with the biggest wheels are actually much easier to push. So, as a professional mover and a professional skater, I can tell you that the biggest thing about choosing a dolly is the wheels. Have those at least at 4 inches. This will save you a lot of trouble and a lot of effort in pushing those heavy boxes or those big pieces of furniture. Also make sure to pay attention to the width of the dolly. The wider it is, the easier it gets.
Moving tips.